Hi friends, what do you know about iPhone 7? Let's see. The iPhone 7 is a smartphone designed by Apple Incorporated and released on September 16, 2016 as part of the iPhone series. Announced along with the larger iPhone 7 Plus on September 7, 2016, they jointly serve as successors to the iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s Plus of 2015, and as the predecessors of the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and X in 2017. Now, what are the features of iPhone 7? Let's see. Size, 4.7 inches, resolution, 1334 by 750 pixels, 16:9 ratio, 326 ppi, technology, IPS LCD, refresh rate, 60 Hz, screen to body, 65.71%, peak brightness, 625 candelas per square meter, nit, features, pressure sensitive, oleophobic coating, scratch resistant glass, camera, rear, single camera samples, main camera, 12MP, sapphire crystal lens cover, OIS, PDAF, BSI sensor, specifications, aperture size, f1.8, focal length, 28mm, sensor size, 1/3, pixel size, hardware, system chip, Apple A10 Fusion APL1W24, 16nm, processor, quad-core, 2340 MHz, 64-bit, GPU, PowerVR 7 XT GT 7600 Plus, RAM, 2GB LPDDR4, internal storage, 256 GB, not expandable, device type, smartphone, OS, iOS, 15.x, 14.x, 13.x, 12.x, 11.x, 10.x. The iPhone 7 is an evolution over its predecessor, featuring improved hardware specifications, including 3D Touch, a force-sensitive touchscreen, upgraded rear-facing and front-facing cameras, a faster Apple A10 Fusion processor, a new chassis made of a stronger alloy of aluminum, second-generation Touch ID, improved LTE and Wi-Fi connectivity, and new jet black and black finishes in addition to the rose gold, silver, and gold finishes found on the previous models, while maintaining an identical in the market. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.